Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with network and system basics. They often cause offline status. First, verify Wi-Fi or mobile data works. Toggle airplane mode for about 5–10 seconds to reset radios. Once done, make sure date and time are set to automatic. Mismatched clocks break secure connections. Restart your phone to clear temporary glitches, then open Play Store and note any specific error code. This direct sequence eliminates common causes quickly, so you can move to deeper fixes if the app still reports offline. Now you dig into app-level issues where cached files or corrupt data cause offline behavior. First, force stop Play Store and Google Play services, then clear cache to test quickly. Cache clearing is safe and fast. If the problem persists, clear app data for Play Store, Play Services, and Google Services Framework. This resets stored settings and often restores network handshakes. Also check your Google account sync. Remove the account, reboot, then re-add it so Play can authenticate properly and resume downloads. If clearing data didn't help, perform advanced measures carefully. You can update Play Store and Play Services by sideloading their latest APKs when the store is offline. Do this only from trusted sources to avoid malware. Next, reset network settings or connect to a different Wi-Fi. VPNs and captive portals often block Play. As a final step, consider a factory reset after backing up. It removes persistent corruption. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip: test with another Google account to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.